better go up. We're at 38 meters, so we'll go up to 60 meters or so. And just keep it going. It's a beautiful day. Aim it down a bit. We're at 300 meters. Yeah, I can still see it. And we're out to 400 meters. 500 meters. 600 meters. 700 meters. 800 meters. Well, it's never gone this far before. There's 900 meters. Well, we'll stop at a kilometer. And we'll hit a return to home. That's a auto return to home. And it should be coming back, and we'll see where it lands. I should be able to still control. Here it comes. I should be able to still control the gimbal. And we're down to 64%. That's really good. And the sun's coming out again. The wind's dying down. It's in sport mode, so it should be coming back at 8 meters per second. This is not super fast, but it's okay. I think I can change that in the settings. I think the Xeno and the Femi, they go 16 meters per second. It's their max. So, return to home, I guess it's set at 8 for the speed. When I come back, when it comes back, I hope it comes back. It's coming back there. The Bebop is just a real pleasure to fly. Never have any doubts about it. It'll fly in any wind. I hear it. There it is. There it is. I see it glistening in the sunlight. Bit of wind up there though. There it comes. Wonder if I have to cancel the return to home. It's right above me now. And it's coming down. I might have to cancel. No. It's going to be within a meter and a half. Considering all the Wi-Fi around here and everything, it's pretty good. And it should just about stop now. There you go. And that's what I love about this thing. It doesn't come and crash on the ground. It just stops there. Okay, well, we're not going to land it. We're going to go back a bit. We're going to go a speed test. So it's not in return to home anymore. I'm going to go up. just going to go up about another 5 or 6 meters. Do a speed test straight. Here we go, straight. A big circle. And a speed test again. Yep. 14.5, 15. There you go. And return to home. And with this thing coming home, I know it's going to come home. And we're still only at 48%. So that's pretty good. And it's returned to home. I can hear it. Yeah, it's within a meter. And stops. Look at that, eh? That's beautiful. Okay, let's just come down a bit.